when they're all fully grown, I'm gonna be getting in there and playing with them. And I don't know, there might be a few hidden things under there. So I'm really excited. So the first step, of course, you all know, is to grow the Orbeez. I have 2 packages here. I'm gonna grow them in here. So let's get started. So the first thing, obviously, we don't want the Orbeez to go down the drain. So we're gonna close it. Next step is to open the water. Okay, so let's pour in the Orbeez. We're gonna pour in all of them. Yay! Let's do another bag. Now we just have to let them go for a couple of hours. And I'll see you in a little bit. Okay guys, so I'm back and my Orbeez are fully grown. And I also made some water balloons so I can pop them. And I'm really excited. There's a lot of them. And I'm gonna be getting inside here. The first challenge is to get in here. So we try to put the warmest water possible. So, oh my gosh. It feels so weird. It feels so weird, like you have a bunch of bugs crammed. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh. Okay, so our next challenge is to figure out 5 colors in the Orbeez without looking in 5 seconds. Figure out 5 colors of the Orbeez. 5 seconds. So my mom's gonna count. 1, 2, 3. White, green, purple, red, and dang it! I just needed one more, but I did it. So here on the balloons, I'm gonna show you all the colors that we have. So here we have green, yellow, pink, orange, purple, red, and yeah, that's it. And then we have more of the same colors. Look at all the Orbeez, you guys. Okay, so this is so much fun, you guys. So now I'm going to pop the balloons. Okay, so let's pop it. Okay, so let's pop another one. Yay! Let's pop a red one. Okay, so now let's do a purple one. Let's do a yellow one. Now let's pop a pink one. Yay! I'm gonna pop this one on my head. Here we have a red one. We have a giant green one. It's really heavy. Let's pop this orange one. So I have a giant bin, which I'm going to fill it with Orbeez and pour it on my head. This is like the ice bucket challenge, but with Orbeez. Here we go. Let's do it again. Look what I have here, you guys. I have a bucket full of just Orbeez. Look how beautiful they are. And look at this one. This one looks very different from the others. Okay, so now let's pour it on me. Oh my gosh. Yay! Okay, my last one. gonna pop them right here. Pop that tiny one. This is the last one, so let's pop it. Yay! Look at this blue Orbeez. It's so pretty. I love that color. So now I'm going to lay down. Yay! Ducky. I'm going to fill it up with water. And filling it up. Well guys, that's all for today. I had so much fun playing with these Orbeez and popping the balloons. And comment down below if you want to see another video like this, but more funner. And don't forget to check out my other Orbeez videos. And that's all for today guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. And I'll see you next video guys. Bye bye.